with Kendra. Today I am going to show you guys how to ground flaxseed, or how to make ground flaxseed. I use flaxseed almost every day, whether it's in my smoothies, baking cookies, or even muffins or anything like that. But I'm almost out, and I don't want to go to the store, but what I do have on hand, I have this on hand. This is a huge, insanely large, extraordinary jar of whole flaxseed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and ground this. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. The reason I have this big old jar is because a couple months ago I wanted to try and make my own hair gel, and flaxseed gel has actually been working great in my hair, but I just wanted to try making my own, and it didn't work out that great. I think I need to tweak my, tweak how I do a little bit more. It was just a little hard for me to squeeze out the gel part. So I'm going to try that later, and hopefully I'll have a tutorial for you guys. But today we are going to work on this. I've had this for a couple months, like I said, and I need to start, look, I barely put a dent in this. I need to start eating this and using it. It doesn't expire until, I don't know if you guys can see it, April 2021. So I have a few years to use this baby up, but I have to get started now if I don't want to waste my money. And so let's go ahead and start making some ground flaxseed. The first method I'm going to show you for making ground flaxseed is to use a coffee grinder. It's very small. This one has different settings. It shows you the different cup sizes. You can either do coarse, medium, or fine. I'm going to do fine. But what I'm going to do, there is a max fill line, and I'm not going to fill it past that line. So you just go ahead and add your whole flaxseed up to that line. Oh, perfect measurement. Put the top on, and my settings, like I said, I have it on 10 cups. I don't know why, but I have it on the fine setting. And so you can get a close up of that. People may not have a coffee grinder available, or they may simply not drink coffee, but they drink smoothies. And so one thing you can do is, if you have one of these little smoothie makers, individual size available, these work great on grinding flaxseed. So I'm going to show you how well this works too, and then we're going to compare the difference opposed to using a coffee grinder or a smoothie maker. So I'm going to use the same measurements. I'm just going to go ahead and put in, I'm still on this one, I'm still going to do 1 cup, just simply 1 cup. As you can see with this method, it does take a little bit longer, but it still gets the same results. So this is me opening it up after the first. It's packed in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my little spatula, mix it up, and then I'm going to regrind it. Okay, so these are the two methods. This one is the smoothie maker. This one is the coffee grinder. Not really a big difference there. There are still a few seeds left in each of them, but they both got the job done. Thank you guys for spending time with me today as I made my own ground flaxseed. Those two methods, they work great. So if you don't have option A, which is the coffee grinder, you can use option B, which is the smoothie maker, and they're both affordable. I'm going to go ahead and probably make me a smoothie with these. Keep in mind, you can use you can use ground flaxseed, in place of some flour, and you can also use it as an egg substitute, or flaxseed as an egg substitute. I'll do a tutorial on that later, but I'm gonna go ahead and make me a smoothie. But if you guys wanna follow along to see what else I'm grinding up next, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you leave a comment, let me know how you like this video or what else you would like to see. And also click the bell below so whenever I upload something, you can get a notification. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.